Today we're going to be making fresh pasta. Oh, by the way, I'm Sophia Thanes.
And I'm Nicole Thanes, Sophia's mom. This is Thanes. So Sophia, why don't you tell our ingredients what we need?
This is tomatoes and lettuce.
Basil.
Oh, basil.
So we use about 2 containers of cherry tomatoes, or you can also use grape tomatoes. And then we have probably about 20 or so pieces of basil leaves, and you can just put those in your food processor. We're also going to add in some chopped up scallions. So go ahead, why don't you dump those in there? We're also going to dump in about 6 tablespoons of olive oil.
And if you need to pause the video, go ahead and do it.
Put that one right on top of here. And then we have a container of the small mozzarella balls. And then what I did is I chopped them into quarters. And so we'll add those after the fact. And then we also have about 6 cloves of minced garlic, which you can dump in there as well. And if you want to use the spoon, you can to scrape it. So we're going to food process that, and in the meantime, we're also going to cook 1 package of angel hair pasta for about 10 minutes until it's al dente. Actually, not even quite 10 minutes. I think it's more like 7 or 8 minutes. And then once that's done, we're going to food process this so it becomes almost like a salsa, which we'll show you afterwards. And then we'll add in some Parmesan cheese, and we'll add in the mozzarella with the pasta once it's cooked and we've drained the water. And then you toss it all together. So we'll show you what that looks like in another minute.
Now that the pasta is done cooking, we're going to add this.
The mix.
Mom.
So that's all the stuff we put in the food processor. We food processed it all together. And now we're just dumping in everything. It kind of looks like a salsa, almost. And then we're gonna put in all the mozzarella.
Yay.
And some Parmesan cheese. Well, you can mix it.
Okay.
And I just kind of do it to taste, and sometimes I add a little salt and pepper too.
Also, when you're doing
wanna-
this, make sure to be safe.
Hold that one with this and start mixing, okay?
Make sure to be safe when you're doing this.
It's definitely hard to mix, huh?
Mm-hmm. I just touched it and it really hurts. Wow, that is really hot.
Here,
So
why don't I help you?
never do that.
Why don't I help you?
Never do that. I only touched a little part of it, but seriously.
Okay, maybe we can get a little picture or a close-up of what this looks like. So it's not all quite mixed yet, but you can see that there's the angel hair pasta and the tomatoes and the basil and all of the mozzarella together.
What did
So
you
we're gonna
just call the pasta? Angel hair?
angel hair, yes.
Yes.